Alright, Paul, welcome to your first fucking chemistry lesson, Paul. Today we're going to be on about the fucking atom, mate. Fucking, let's get into as you know, chemistry is the study of atoms, shatoms, or chemicals, pal. There's like two types of chemicals that we'll talk about today. Let me just play with this fucking zoom, mate. Hey, that's better. There is two types of chemicals. There's compounds. And these are chemicals made of other chemicals. Made of other chemicals. An example of this would be water. Water can be broken down into oxygen and hydrogen, but hydrogen and oxygen respectively can't be broken down any further. If I were to break down oxygen, what I'd be left with wouldn't be a chemical anymore, as decreed by the gods of chemistry there. So those chemicals that can be broken down are known as elements. Examples are let's write it down first. Chemicals that can't be broken down into other chemicals. Again, anything on the periodic table is an element, obviously. Hydrogen. Here's what today, chuck a fucking dirt at a fucking periodic table and fucking any of it's a fucking element, or helium, etc. Or throw dirt in my arse, actually, that'd be kind of fun. And elements, the smallest piece of an element is called an atom. That's all an element is. When you get like a beaker of hydrogen, it's just a bunch of hydrogen atoms. Let's go into the fucking into the atom, and I'll draw you what an atom looks like. Dance the night away. And an atom is made of three parts in itself. We've got this white thing here, which is a proton. This checkered thing is a neutron. And this wee black thing here, boys, is an electron. You get that? You fucking understand that, bitch? Anyway. Oh my god. I'm actually making this video. Let's go into the properties here. It's like fucking not in cruises. Let's make a wee table. Charge, mass, AMU. This is a chemistry video, not a making a table video, bitch. Oh fuck, that's ideal. Right, the charge on a proton is +1, on a neutron it's 0, on an electron it's -1. The mass of a neutron is 1 atomic mass unit. On a proton, oh that's good, it's also 1 atomic mass unit. And an electron is 0. It's nearly 0 actually, because it's so fucking light. Anyway, there's some special numbers you need to know about a fucking atom, mate. And these are, keep it this way. The atomic number Well, hash thing means number, you cunts. And the atomic number is just how many protons it has, so. But Thomas, why is that important? Why do we need to know this? Why the fuck should I just, like, no fucking give up and fucking kill myself? Well, don't kill yourself, imaginary character. But, oh god. The number of protons determines what element an atom is. So all atoms with one proton, or someone's texting me, or an atomic number of 1. Yeah, folks, this is amateur. Then that is always a hydrogen atom. Two protons. Oh yeah, the symbol for atomic mass number is Z, or Z if you're American. So Z, oh fuck's sake. That's always a helium atom if the atomic number equals 2. And if it has an atomic number of 6, then it is always a carbon atom. So like that's that. And I'm no fucking chemist, but if I had to give it a guess, like, all atoms with one proton in them are fucking, like, have different chemical properties from those that have 2 or those that have fucking 6. You know, so I think that's why it's important there. There's also the mass number. Or M, that's the symbol if you're using it in an equation there. It's just the number of protons and neutrons. Again, we don't include the electron because they have very little mass. It wouldn't make a difference to our calculations, I guess, if we included the electron's mass. So we can figure this out. Figure out our life, maybe. But atoms of a single element can vary in their fucking mass number. These are called isotopes. So we can have like 3 versions of hydrogen here. We can have a hydrogen of 1 atomic mass unit, hydrogen of 2 atomic mass units, or hydrogen of 3 atomic mass units, boy. Yeah. So M is equal to 1, M is equal to 2, M is equal to 3. They're all hydrogen because they've all got 1 proton and 1 proton only. So you'd call this one hydrogen 1. This one hydrogen 2. And this yan boy. And this one hydrogen 3. If you're referring to a specific isotope. Look at that, it's the other side there. Lastly, let's go over nuclide notation. If you're writing about a particular atom in a chemical equation, then you'd write it like this. Let's say it's a hydrogen atom. And you're going on about a particular isotope. So in the top left-hand corner, you'd put its mass number. So let's say it's hydrogen 2. And that'd be, you'd write it like that. There's also this very unnecessary step where you can write the atomic number of the atom, which is pointless. Because as you can see here, all hydrogen atoms have fucking one proton. So there's no, if it's called hydrogen, it can only have fucking one proton. But you can write the atomic number in the bottom left-hand corner there. Alright, so that's nuclide notation. When we talk about elements, we assume that all atoms have an overall charge of 0. Otherwise, they'd be called ions. So you had like a hydrogen atom that had like more electrons than it had protons, then that'd be called a hydrogen ion. We're not on about those today. Like today, we're on about fucking atoms, mate. But that's that. If you're writing the charge there, you'd write it on the top. I forgot my directions. The top right-hand corner there. Anyway, that sums up part 1 here. Next time we'll talk about electron shells and electron orbitals and fucking electron configurations. That'll be part 2, so join me then and enjoy smoking out of your ears, you fucking Raj bastards.